Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel AglaSem Schools. Today in this video, I will be covering chapter 5 of class 10 science, that is periodic classification of elements. So let's discuss question and answers. Here question number 1 says, which of the following statements is not a correct statement about the trends when going from left to right across the periods of periodic table? Answer is C, that is the atoms lose their electrons more easily. Further, question number 2 says element X forms a chloride with the formula XCl2, which is solid with a high melting point. X would most likely to be in the same group of the periodic table as. Answer is B, that is Mg. Further, question number 3 says, which element has? Part 1 says, two shells, both of which are completely filled with electrons. Answer is neon, that is 2 and 8. Further, part 2 says, the electronic configuration of 282. Answer is magnesium. Third part says, a total of 3 shells with 4 electrons in its valence shell. Answer is silicon, that is 284. Now D part says a total of 2 shells with 3 electrons in its valence shell. Answer is boron, that is 2 and 3. For the fifth part says twice as many electrons in its second shell as it in first shell. Answer is carbon, that is 2 and 4. Now question number 4. A part says, what property do all elements in the same column of a periodic table as boron have in common? Answer is, elements in the same column or group as boron have valency of 3 and have 3 valence electrons. Now B part says, what property do all elements in the same column of a periodic table have? Do fluorines have anything in common? Answer is, elements in the same column or group as fluorine from acidic oxide and have 7 electrons in their outermost shell and have valency of 1. Now question number 5 says an atom has electronic configuration 287. First part says what is the atomic number of this element? Answer is the atomic number of this given element is 2 plus 8 plus 7, that will give you 17. Now B part says to which of the following elements would it be chemically similar? Answer is it would be chemically similar to fluorine. F, that is 9, because its electronic configuration is 2 and 7. Now question number 6 says the positions of 3 elements, that is A, B and C in the periodic table is shown below. Part 1 says state whether A is a metal or a non-metal. Answer is since the valency of group 17 elements is 1 and all these elements accept electrons, thus A is a non-metal. Further, B part says state whether C is more reactive or less reactive than A. Answer is C is less reactive than A because as we move down in the group, the reactivity of non-metals increases. For the C part says, will C be larger or smaller in size than B? Answer is, C is smaller in size than B because B and C both are related to the same period and the size decreases as one moves from left to right in a period. For the D part says, which type of iron, cation, and ion will be formed by element A? Answer is A will form anion because it is a non-metal. Now question number 7 says nitrogen, that is atomic number 7, and phosphorus, atomic number is 15, belongs to group 15 of a periodic table. Write the electronic configuration of these two elements. Which of these will be more electronegative and why? Answer is electronic configuration of nitrogen, that is 2 and 5, whereas electronic configuration of phosphorus, that is 2, 8 and 5. So here nitrogen will be more electronegative because the outermost shell is nearer to the nucleus and therefore nucleus will attract electrons more strongly. And in a group of a periodic table, electron attracting tendency decreases as we move from top to bottom. Now question number 8 says, how does the electronic configuration of an atom relate to its position in the modern periodic table? Answer is, modern periodic table is based on the atomic number and the atomic number is directly related to the electronic configuration. One can find the group number and the periodic number of an element on the basis of electronic configuration. For example, if an element has 1 or 2 electrons in its outermost shell, then it would belong to group 1 or group 2. And if it has 3 or more electrons in its outermost shell, then it would belong to group 10 for the number of electrons in the outermost shell. Thus, all the group 2 elements have 2 electrons in their outermost shell, and in group 15 element, there are 5 electrons in their outermost shell. Similarly, the number of shells in an element indicate the periodic number. For example, the atomic number of magnesium is 12 and its electronic configuration is 282. Thus, it is an element of third period. Now, question number 9 says, in the modern periodic table, calcium, that is atomic number 20, is surrounded by elements with atomic number 12, 19, 21 and 38. Which of these have physical and chemical properties resembling calcium? Answer is, the electronic configuration of element with atomic number 12, that is 282, atomic number 19, that is 2881, atomic number 20, that is 2882, atomic number 21, that is 2892, atomic number 38, that is 1882, elements with atomic number 12, that is magnesium, and 38, that is strontium, will have similar physical and chemical properties as elements with atomic number 20, that is calcium. Now question number 10 says, compare and contrast the arrangement of elements in periodic table and modern periodic table. So answer is, first let's talk about Mendeleev's periodic table. Elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass. Second, these are 9 vertical column called groups. Third, there is no place for noble gas. Fourth, there is no place for isotopes. Fifth, transition elements are placed together in group 8. Now, let's talk about modern periodic table. Elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic number. There are 18 vertical columns called groups. Noble gases are placed in the right hand side of a table. Isotopes are kept at the same place because their atomic number is the same. And the fifth point is, transition elements are placed in the middle of the long period from group 3 to 12. So guys, here I have covered all the questions of this chapter in this video. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For more such NCERT solutions, keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel AglaSem Schools. And do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.